Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Moonshot AI. In order to do so, here we are at moonshot-ai.com, and let's take a look at Moonshot, find out what it's all about. If we click here where it says see it in action, it's actually going to take us down here to the bottom of the page where we can enter in our information and submit that in order to gain access. But what is Moonshot all about? Well, you can send your e-commerce sales to the moon. Our AI wizardry will automatically analyze, plan, and execute your store's conversion optimization process. No code, no dev team, no problem. Trusted by these organizations here, Kits, Malaise, Delta Hub, BlazePod, etc. We reshape online stores automatically. Imagine your store autonomously evolving to solve all of its core issues that are holding back your revenue. And the best part, no team is needed. You can X-ray, auto-analyze user behavior, and measure versus comparable stores. You can generate, construct variants using Gen AI as if your own designer laid them out. You can alter your website, automatically change your website's front end, no developer or code needed. You can test, evaluate on real users, running multiple tests swiftly and simultaneously. Why use Moonshot AI? Well, you don't know what doesn't work on your website. You don't know why things don't work. You don't know what your competitors are doing, and you have no resources to fix the things that you know need fixing. What are our customers saying? Well, you can see here a variety of testimonials. It's like ChatGPT took over our website and knows exactly what changes to make. Moonshot AI simply transformed our business. The first change Moonshot AI generated increased mobile conversions by 2%. So you could look through there and get an idea of how other people have taken advantage of Moonshot. And if you want to book a demo, then you can click here. That'll just bring you back down to the form at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Q&A here. How does Moonshot AI work? It's super easy. As soon as you integrate our tracking code, Moonshot AI's platform starts analyzing your website, optimizing it automatically. You just sit back and see sales go up. What's your pricing? We charge a monthly fixed cost based on your user traffic and sales. Contact us for more information. What size of online stores do you partner with? We have clients of all sizes, from a few hundred Ks in revenue to hundreds of millions. Can I use Moonshot if I don't have my own dev team? No problem. Moonshot empowers you in your website without you having to have any internal resources. Even integration is a breeze. Just add our tracking code to your website and you're good to go. How do I know what to fix on my website? You don't. Moonshot does that for you. The platform analyzes your buying journeys and compares them to hundreds of other stores and best practices to come up with the most effective fixes to your website. The platform can also automatically test and apply those fixes, so you don't really need to lift a finger. How soon will I begin seeing results? You should start seeing actual revenue increasing within weeks. We have clients who have seen revenue double within a few months of working with us, and the uplift only increases over time. Again, you can book your demo. You can see here the form at the bottom. So essentially, Moonshot is an AI that you can integrate with your website in order to optimize it. And it sounds like a very interesting concept. So if you're somebody who has a website and maybe you're struggling with your sales or with generating interest in the site, well, then you might want to give Moonshot a try. It could be the solution that helps you to bring your website up to the next level. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.